Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to keep your Visual Studio Code workspace clean by hiding specific files and directories, like the .git folder, in the sidebar. This is a super useful trick if you want to reduce clutter and focus on just the files you need. Whether it's hiding generated files, log files, or version control folders, I'll guide you through a simple way to do it without any manual JSON editing. Stick around, and let's dive in. Let's dive right in. To hide specific files or folders in Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. First, open your settings by going to File Preferences Settings, or simply press Ctrl+, on Windows or CMD+ on Mac OS. In the Settings search bar, type Files.exclude to locate the section for excluding files. Once you're there, look for an option to add pattern and click it. Now, type in the file or folder you want to hide. For example, entering /.git will hide all .git folders across your project, keeping your sidebar organized and free from clutter. This trick is especially helpful if you're working with multiple repositories or submodules. And that's it, now your workspace is much cleaner. If you want to delete the pattern, click the trash bin icon next to the pattern you want to delete. This will remove the pattern from the exclusion list, and the files or directories will become visible in the sidebar again. Save the settings. Now you know how to hide unwanted files and folders in your Visual Studio Code sidebar, keeping your workspace organized and focused. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.